Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to create this logo using Pixellab application on your phone. Alright, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to create a shape. So I click on this, I click on shapes, then I'm going to use a triangle. Right, I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, then I'm going to turn it upside down. And I'm also going to change the image size to YouTube thumbnail since I'm using the image for a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then I'm going to increase the size a little, and I'm also going to put it in the middle. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to create another shape. Alright, I'm also going to put that in the middle. Alright, then I join them together. Just the shapes. I click OK. Then I'm going to go to erase color and I click enabled. Alright, so once we've done that, I'm also going to create another shape. Alright, I'm going to create another copy and put it on the other side. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm also going to join everything together. Remember, just the shapes. Okay, then I'm also going to go to erase color, click enabled, reduce this, increase this to 20, and smooth edges to 1. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm also going to create another shape again. Then I'm going to change the color to black. Alright, I'll create a copy. Try to ensure that they are both on the same place. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to create another shape, a triangle again. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity and I'm also going to increase the stroke width. Alright, now I'm going to change the color to white. And I turn it upside down. I'm going to increase the size. And I'll put it in the middle. Right, just like that. Then once I've done that, I'm going to join everything together. Not with the text. Okay, then after I've done that, I'm going to go to erase color, click enabled, and I'm going to draw tolerance to 24, smooth edges to 1. Alright, then I'm going to reduce this. Put it in the middle and take it to the back. Now I'm going to drag the text here, double click, Then I'm going to change the font. And I'm going to give spacing between the letters. Also going to change the color to black. Then I'm going to put it in the middle. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to create another copy of the text and double click. So let's just put 3D logo. Change it to capital letters. Then I'm going to reduce this and put it here. Alright, so after we've done that, we're going to join everything together now. Okay, so we add our texture. We go to texture, we click texture, click on the image icon, and we're going to use this texture here. To download the texture, just go to the video description. There's a link to the materials I use for this logo design there. So I click OK. I click enabled. So I'm going to click on 3D shape. And I'm going to take the depth to 3. Darken, I'm going to take it to 67. Well, let's make it 70. Right, then I'm going to click shadow, click enable, take the blur radius to 5. So -3 and 1. Right, then emboss, I'm clicking on emboss, click enable. I will take the bevel to 1. Specular hardness, I'll take it to 30. Then intensity, let's take it to 72, and ambient light to 35. Alright, then let's just leave this out. Level at 41. Okay, let's leave it at 50. Right, then I click OK. So what I'm going to do next is to import the background I want to use. Okay, then I'm going to drag this to cover everywhere. Right, so once it has covered everywhere, I'm also going to make sure it's in the middle. Alright, then I take it to the back. Alright, that's it. Then once we've done that, we're going to just click on save as image. Then I'm going to take this to Ultra. I click save to gallery. So after it's saved, you can have it on your phone. So yeah, that's it. If you watch this video to the end, please do me 2 favors. First, make sure you give the video a like, and also share the video with someone you feel may find the video helpful. And if you are new to my channel and you are watching my video for the first time, please make sure to subscribe right now so you can see more videos like this. Alright, thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video.